Hello, my name is Misha and welcome to my course. Goal of this course is to teach you how to set up successful Airbnb listing, which consistently runs at 90% plus occupancy with 90% plus 5-star reviews. I'm gonna start talking about my background. I have a background in math and economics. I also have a master's degree in finance, and I've been working in finance and technology over the past 7 years at Wall Street. I picked up Airbnb hosting in 2019 together with my sister, so we started a family business. She's in charge of the operations, and I'm in charge of our Airbnb listings and our pricing strategy. In this course, I'm going to share with you condensed knowledge that I have acquired over past 4 years of having a successful business. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I've really spent lots of time into making sure that each and every part of our listings are perfect. I've also started successful Airbnb YouTube channel in my native language. And finally, I've decided to put this course together to share my knowledge and experience with wider audience. The course is designed not for the host within the United States or Europe. It's also designed for the host within developing country. Matter of fact, our listings are located in a developing country. So this course is really designed to add value to every host around the world. That was my intention while designing this course. To be 100% clear, this course is not to teach how to start a business or how to do Airbnb arbitrage. This is a course specifically focused on a subset of the Airbnb business, which is setting up a listing. We will specifically talk about how to set up a great Airbnb listing that hopefully stands out among your competition, which drives the revenue for you in the long run. The course is designed for both for the beginners as well as experienced Airbnb hosts. If you're a beginner, this course will save you lots of time to get your first listing started. If you're an experienced host, you will still find lots of useful information in this course that will help you improve your existing listings and hopefully get an edge over your competition. Now I will jump into the course and give you an overview of the topics that we are going to cover. We are going to start the course by talking about the photos, as they are usually the most important part of Airbnb business, and they also take the longest time to take and edit. Next, we are going to talk about listing basics. In this module, we are going to walk you through how to fill out listing details on the Airbnb website. Then we are going to talk about pricing strategies. And lastly, we are going to talk about review management. I will give you all the tips and tricks that we use to consistently get 5-star reviews. We'll also provide lots of additional resources to you, such as guides to all the software that I use, and also all the Excel spreadsheets that I have built over the years to successfully run my Airbnb business. I hope you find this course super useful. Thank you.